Ladies and gentlemen, I have the best file transfer method I've ever seen outside of probably AirDrop for iPhones, but this is specifically for Android, and sadly, I don't know if there's a Google alternative to this, but this is for Samsung devices in particular. I'm holding an S20 Ultra right now that I picked up used on Amazon. This thing is like in pristine condition, and I don't know how I got this for so cheap. Recommend this phone. But if you're looking to actually transfer files from here to your Windows 10 or 11 PC or whatever, this is the best solution I've found. So the key, ladies and gentlemen, is an app called Samsung Flow. It looks like this right here. My camera wants to focus on that. Samsung Flow right there looks like that. You can only download this, I believe, on the Galaxy Store. But download this on your Samsung device. You just open it up. It'll ask you to sync up with your Windows 10 PC. And essentially how this works is it looks like a messaging application almost, where it'll just show you your history of everything you've sent here. So you basically can link this to your PC and it's seamless. It transfers files extremely fast over Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth. You hit the little plus here, it'll bring up like a variety of options. You can do images, videos, My Files, audio, contacts, and Samsung Notes. I'm gonna do images. I have this image of a controller here. As you can see, it's loading and boom, I think it's already done. And then let's hop over to my PC and I'll show you how quickly that transferred over. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see here, the file transferred over completely, literally in probably 10 seconds. And I'd say, I don't have the exact transfer speeds up, but I can tell you I've uploaded like several somewhat long videos, and it uploads extremely quickly. So as you can see, the file comes up right here, super seamless. And the nice thing is on this application is you can click these three dots in the top right. I'll just like scroll up, click these three dots, you click settings, and then if I move my camera over here, it'll show you your device here, S20 Ultra. And by the way, if I forgot to mention this, this is in the Microsoft Store on your PC. And you can essentially choose the download folder. So I have mine just set to a subfolder where I keep all my clips. As soon as I upload a file, that will be transferred directly into my folder, and I should be good to go. I can edit these on my PC, add these into my editing software, and yeah, this is an awesome solution, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, I hope you found this useful. This is like AirDrop on steroids. It's so quick, it's so seamless. If you're looking to film on your smartphone and quickly transfer your files over on your Samsung phone to your PC to do whatever with them, I don't know, social media, edit, whatever, put in Canva, put in YouTube, this is an easy solution. No wires, no third-party software. This is all Samsung's software. It's super easy, and hopefully you guys found this video somewhat useful. If you did, subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends, because I've been looking for solutions on how to transfer files from your smartphone to your PC for a while now, and I stumbled across this solution and it works great. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.